Hey guys, it's Dee. So today I'm going to show you guys how I did this pink half cut crease using the Morphe 39A palette. So if you guys want to learn how I did this look, then you guys can just keep on watching. So the first step was priming my eyes, then I just primed it with some Urban Decay primer potion, and then afterwards I just went ahead and set it with some translucent powder. The first shade that I'm going to be taking today is called Create, and what I'm going to do with this shade is I'm going to pack it on into my lid and a little bit above my crease. Then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out, and it is going to be a little bit light. So what I'm going to do afterwards is just go ahead and do it one more time. So here I'm repeating the same steps I did before, which was the packing on and blending out. My next shade that I'm going to be using is called Passion, and all I'm going to do with this shade is directly pack it on into my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out afterwards, and this is just going to help darken up the look even more than it already is. Once again, I repeat the same step that I did before just to darken the look up. The next shade that I'm going to be using is called Forever, and what I'm going to do with this shade is put it on the outer V of my eye. After I finished blending out Forever, what I did was I grabbed my concealer and I started cutting my crease. So how I did this was I just followed my natural crease line, but I just cut my crease a little bit above my actual crease just because I do have hooded eyes and I want to be able to see that cut crease. After I finished cutting my crease, I went ahead and set it with some matte white eyeshadow. Then I got back this shade Forever, and I'm just darkening up my outer V once again. So I'm going to work my way backwards just to create an ombre effect. So I'm going to start with the darker shades and work my way up to the lighter shades. Next, I took the shade called Passion, the second shade that we used, and I just packed this on a little bit more than halfway and I blended it out. Then I took the very first shade that we used, which is called Create, and I just packed it on as well twice just to darken it up, and I blended it out. After, I just went ahead and repeated all 3 steps once again. Now I'm going ahead and curling my eyelashes and putting on some mascara. So what I'm going to do now is go and do my entire face routine. The fake eyelashes that I'm using today are from Goddess Collection, and these are in the style Indian Kira. Here I took the 3 shades from the Morphe 39A palette and I just put them on the bottom part of my waterline and I just smoked them out. Next, I applied some highlight from the Auroura ABH Glow Kit, and this is in Spectra. And lastly, I went ahead and put on some loose glitter for my inner corner highlight. So this is the end result from the eyeshadow, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you liked it, give it a great thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. If you want to leave me a comment down below on what you think, I'll go ahead and check it out. And that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!